Hello, I'm Joe from the Savage Beast podcast, and I am here today to do the dramatic unboxing of my 20th anniversary edition of Pinkerton from Vinyl Me Please, the internet's leading record company, record club, which they did not pay me to do this. I paid full price for this. This is a genuine reaction. It better not suck. So this is the box that came in. For the love of music, please do not bend. I'm glad no one stole it from the lobby of our apartment building. So let's get underway here. Watch me struggle with the packaging. Here we go. All right, here he comes. I love this little direct package. Weezer, Pinkerton, packed by MP. Here it is. Got the advertisement. And here's the exclusive Madame Butterfly art print that comes with it. It's pretty amazing. I like that. It's kind of trippy, Grateful Dead style. By Fuko Ueda is a picture of the artist at work, which is pretty cool. So I'll hang this in my 70s basement whenever I get one. Let's get to the, they also have the Pinkerton sake martini recipe. They send a custom drink recipe with every record, which I think is kind of adorable. So as soon as I get some sake and some ginger paste, I'll have a delicious margarita or martini. All right, so let's open this up. I ordered this because Pinkerton is, one of my top 5 records of all time, and I've been thinking of signing up, and I just thought I had to have this. So here it is. It's exclusive limited pressing. The classic cover, which I studied intently when I was in 9th grade, back with the you can see the geisha on the back there. All of you should have the track list memorized. We open it up. Ooh, pop-up display of the inside artwork, which is pretty damn cool. And let's get down to business. Oh yes, this is beautiful. I've seen a lot of beautiful, colored pressings of records, but the translucent blue waves on this is it's pretty amazing. A nice thick record. I can't wait to get it on the turntable as soon as I buy a new one. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Listen to the Savage Beast podcast at savagebeastpod.com. It's on iTunes and SoundCloud. I'm going to drink my Rainier beer, the alcoholic pride of the Pacific Northwest. Cheers.